Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2020 Honda CB500F. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Honda CB500. It is HPI clear. It does come with a spare key, and it's also had its first service done. It is only one owner from new. It is low miles as well. So we'll start at the front and work all the way around the bike for you. As you can see, it does have ABS on this. And the colour scheme on it, it's a real high gloss white with it's like a matte metallic blue finish. It does look really nice, this. Really nice and clean, as you'd expect with such low miles and a one owner bike. It does look like it's only done dry miles. As you can see, the tyres are in excellent condition. Radiator looking spotless there, and the exhaust. You can see the new oil filter that's been fitted there. Let's have a look over on the left hand side. See the tank, really nice paintwork. Let's have a look over on the engine. Again, looking absolutely spotless. Really clean. Let's get a look at that chain and sprocket. Again, excellent condition. I think it's done around 500 mile mark, this. We will check in a second and get the exact mileage off it. But it is really low miles. Good look at the seat. Take a look, see what it looks like from the back. It does have LED tail light and LED indicators on this. Back tyre looking good as well. Let's move over onto the right hand side. Get a look at the exhaust. Let's get a look at that back wheel. Let's carry on. Check out the exhaust. Again, everything in excellent condition, as you'd expect with such a low mileage bike. What we'll do now is we'll go and take a look at the controls and get the exact mileage for you. Let's grab a look at the controls. As you can see, you've got your kill switch, hazards, starter on this side, front brake, fully adjustable lever. You can adjust for the reach. Let's move over onto the left hand side. You've got your lights, your horn, your indicators and your clutch. Turn the dash on, it's a full LCD dash. I'm getting the miles off it. As you can see, it's just done 554 miles. It's super low miles. Right, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in particular, we can do that to a close-up picture or video for you. We can send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.